In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Thinkorswim to TradingView. There isn't a native toggle that directly connects these two platforms, so we'll use an automation service as the bridge. A popular choice is an intermediary like TradersPost. It listens for alerts you create in TradingView and turns them into orders routed to your TD Ameritrade or Schwab account, which you can monitor and manage in Thinkorswim. Start by creating an account with the automation service. Pick a plan that supports TradingView webhooks and your brokerage. During setup, enable paper or simulated trading if it's available. This lets you rehearse your signals and order flow without risking capital. And it's the fastest way to confirm your alert formatting is correct before going live. Next, connect your brokerage inside the automation service. You'll be redirected to the broker's secure page to authorize access. Choose the correct account you want to trade. Confirm the requested permissions and finish the handshake. If you have multiple accounts, double-check that the one you select is the same one you view in Thinkorswim, so fills and positions match what you expect. Then move to TradingView and create alerts that will act as your triggers. Open the chart and indicator you plan to use. Click to add an alert and define the condition, symbol, and time frame. For consistency, many traders set alerts to fire once per bar close to avoid intrabar noise. Enable the webhook URL option and paste in the unique URL provided by the automation service. In the alert message field, use the exact template your service gives you, typically a small JSON payload that includes the symbol and whether to buy, sell, or exit. Give the alert a clear name and test it on a simple condition first to verify that messages are received. Back in the automation service, create or select the strategy that will consume those webhooks. Map the incoming alerts to the correct symbol and brokerage account. Choose order behavior such as market or limit. Define quantity or risk per trade and add risk controls like maximum positions or daily stops. Set time in force and trading session rules so orders only route when you want them to. To start conservatively, require manual confirmation or keep it in paper mode until you see that alerts, orders, and fills are aligned. You'll be able to review logs in the automation service and see working or filled orders inside Thinkorswim. That's the full flow use an automation service. Connect your TD Ameritrade or Schwab account. Create TradingView webhook alerts and let the service translate those alerts into Thinkorswim orders. Test thoroughly, start small, and always use proper risk management as you automate.